Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have a class ready to go for you. It is with the Latte Love bundle. I had so much fun creating with this. Look, I was making all kinds of little coffee pots and cups and stuff. So I got a dimensional back. You know, those things are always everywhere. So let me explain. This class has 6 projects, 4 cards. One of them is a fancy fold, and then 2 3D projects. So for $82, this is the full kit. You're going to get the bundle, the stamp set, and the dies, because you're going to need those for the projects. So you'll get that. You'll get all the materials for the 6 projects. A yard of this polka dot trim, a package of the swirl dots. I don't know if you can see the little swirls in there, and a half a pack of the designer series paper. Mine, a lot of it's already all cut up, but you're going to get a half pack of it. I've used them on the projects. And let me show you how cute these dies cut out. Look at that. There's a French press, so this, and this equals to this. This equals to this. And then these are the stamped images that have the die cups, and then that's the coffee spoon, coffee beans, a cup, and then these 2 can go inside there. And then there's these 2 little cups, the coffee and the cup equals that, but one's right-handed, one's left-handed. So cute, cute, cute dies. All right, so let's get to the projects. Again, there's 4 cards. So there's this one. Now look, this is all these cups are all designer series paper. Isn't that cool? And then I just stamped the blotches on, so or splatters. So that's one of the cards. This is another card, and I used the dies to make that coffee pot, and then the cup I used my Stampin' blends. And then this one, I think this one, I don't know, between this one and the next one's my favorite. I'm not sure. But this, I used the window sheet to make it look like glass. I don't know if you could see. So that's another one. And then here's my other. This is a fancy fold. So it's going to open like that. And look, it says this one's on me. And then it holds a gift card. So, oops, I stuck it in here when I first glued it, but it'll stay. I gotta re-glue. I think I stuck it in there too soon. And then the inside. So it's just a fancy fold. Now the 3D projects are, this one here is a little box, and it holds a coffee pot, a K-cup. So the K-cup is inside there, and this is one of the 3D projects. And then the other is this cute little coffee cup looking treat holder. I put some treats in there. You know me, I love chocolate, so we use the rainbow trim again. And that's the second 3D project. So again, for $82, you're going to get all the materials to make those 6 projects. You're going to get the bundle, the swirl dots, a yard of the trim, a half a pack of the designer series paper, a step-by-step tutorial, has all the instructions for you, plus priority shipping. The shipping's already included in that one. And then so for $42, you're going to take this away. So, but you're going to have to get it because, you know, you're going to have to order it however, but you're going to need these for your projects. So for $42, you're going to get the stuff for the 6 projects, the yard of the ribbon, the swirl dots, a half a pack of DSP, the tutorial, and the free shipping. So the third option would be just my PDF tutorial. I always sell those for $15. So again, my registration link will be available for you to go ahead and sign up for this class. I hope you guys like it. I had fun designing it. I always like coffee, so anything to do with coffee I have at least, well, I know I have 2 in the morning, and sometimes I'll have another in the afternoon. But hope you guys like it, and I will post the registration link below. Thank you so much. Bye.